Okay, good morning. Anywhere you are in the world, maybe it's good afternoon or good evening, whichever one it is, I greet you. My name is Femi Drojai, and welcome to this episode of Wisdom for Living. Wisdom for Living. I'll be taking these episodes from time to time to talk about life, to share life experiences. Today, I want to talk about finding purpose. Finding purpose. Many young people and those who are not so young, they struggle with this issue, finding purpose. Look, some find it early, some do not, but don't worry about it. It's not worth worrying about. Just give it time. It will come to you eventually what you want to do with your life. It is not late, it is not early. As I said, some people find purpose early, some people find it later in life. You understand? But whatever it is that you do upon this earth, you must find purpose. I want to remind us, for those who are Christians and believers, when God created Adam, he gave him a purpose. You can find the purpose of man in the book of Genesis, chapter 1. God said, take dominion, conquer the earth. That was the purpose of man. Conquer, subdue the earth. That is the purpose of man. You understand? So I want to ask you today, in which area of life are you taking dominion? In which area of life are you finding purpose? In which area of life are you dominating? Are you submitting? What's the word now? Are you subduing the earth? Is it in technology? Is it in tech? Is it in space? Is it in agriculture? In which area of life are you, do you have dominion upon the earth? Now, many people find it difficult at the beginning to find purpose. Some find it early, some find it later in life, but it doesn't matter. When you find it, you find it. And finding purpose defines your life, makes you enjoy life, because it's important that you walk towards a goal. It makes your life beautiful. Now, so many people, especially young people, are confused. Where do I start? I have multiple competencies. I can do a lot of things, not just young people, older people too, So there's a confusion, then inertia steps in. They can't move because they don't know where to begin, right? My advice is list all the areas of your competencies. List them out. The things that you love to do, list all of them out. And then when you have listed them out, pick the number one thing you want to do. Or better still, pick three things that you have competence to do, you love to do, it's something you just have to do in this life. Just pick out three from them. Then prioritize which one comes first. Write the one that comes first as number one. When you are finished writing this, you have found a purpose for your life. You have found a purpose for your life. And I advise you, pursue that purpose. As I said, select number one. Select two others, making three. But start with number one. When you have pursued number one, you have achieved number one, you find out that even in pursuing number one, number two has started, number three have started. You understand? But it's important to pursue your number one priority, what you love to do the most. It will help you in achieving purpose. When you are doing number one, right, you find out that your life begins to have a meaning. You find out that you begin to excuse yourself from some things. You don't want to belong to one group or the other. You don't want to talk to some certain category of people. You don't want to do stuff, you just want to concentrate on where you are going. You understand? Finding purpose thus help you do that. Now, when you find purpose, When you take on number one of all your competencies, you find out that you move faster in life. You move very fast. You move very fast. And providence itself helps you when you start out. So remember, in finding purpose, determine, write down everything that you know you love to do, you want to do in this life. You understand? Then pick 3 of them. Then start with number 1. As you do so, may God bless you and may you find and fulfill purpose. Amen.